Hello everyone, my name is Arun Murthy. I am the founder of Excellent Tutorials. In the evening classes that I take for both Indian as well as international students, we discuss a number of HOTS questions or higher order thinking skills questions. I'll be sharing some of those in this video series with you. Let us look at the question first. If ABC are the interior angles of a triangle ABC, show that cosecant of A plus B divided by 2 is the same as secant of C over 2. So solution starts by using this theorem. We know that in any triangle, the sum of three angles ABC will be 180 degrees. Now divide the whole equation by 2 and you get A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 as 90 degrees. Now transpose the C by 2 to the right hand side and you get A plus B by 2 or A by 2 plus B by 2 is 90 minus C by 2. So therefore, let us now look at the left hand side. LHS becomes cosecant of A plus B by 2, which becomes cosecant of 90 minus C by 2. But we know that from our understanding of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, we know that cosecant of 90 minus x is secant x. So therefore, this becomes secant of C over 2, which is what is the required proof. There are a couple of practice problems I have given you here for you to solve. Work them out very similarly. Solutions are in the video description below. You can verify your answer. This will help in preparing for your board exams, competitive exams like Olympiads, NTSE, etc. I hope this was useful to you. If you like the video, please leave a comment, hit the like button. Also share and subscribe so others can find this video material easy. Thank you.